Actually, the topic I have selected for this seminar is a little sensitive topic. Generally, I haven't seen many devotees discuss about this topic in a class or in larger groups. But personally, I felt that it is actually very, very important that we have the proper understanding of what Brahmacharya actually is. Because the spiritual life rests on Brahmacharya. The word itself will clarify. Brahma means spiritual reality, and Acharan means to practice, to act or to conduct. So when we act in such a way that we will become situated in our spiritual identity, that is called Brahmacharya. The English translation of the word Brahmacharya is celibacy. It's a Greek word. It's derived from the Greek word celibas, which means to remain single or unmarried or bachelor. But that is not really Brahmacharya. This may be one aspect of Brahmacharya, but in a true sense, celibacy alone is not just Brahmacharya. To remain single or remain unmarried is not just Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is far broader a concept. We have two identities. One is material, the other is spiritual. This body is made of matter, and this body made of matter, material body, is alive because of the presence of the soul. So our real identity is spiritual. We are spirit souls. So to become situated in that identity is called Brahmacharya. And when one practices Brahmacharya, then he automatically becomes a celibate. And our concept of, our understanding of celibacy is far greater than just that remaining single. According to our understanding, according to Prabhupada's teachings, in Krishna consciousness, even the householders are brahmacharis. Even the householders who are situated in the spiritual identity, they are also brahmacharis. So the Krishna consciousness movement is actually a movement to make people brahmacharis. Whether one is a man or a woman, grihastha or brahmacharya, vanaprastha or sannyasi, everyone is a brahmachari, or everyone should become a brahmachari.